Hi friends, I'm Annie the Apple. You've probably seen me in lots of colors, red, green, and yellow. No matter the color, I'm always crunchy and yummy. I'm a superstar when it comes to keeping you healthy. I have lots of fiber, which is great for your tummy, and vitamins that help keep your body strong. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, they say. So grab an apple and let's have some fun together. Munch, munch, crunch, crunch. Let's make today an apple-icious day. Hi kids, I'm Patty the Pear. Do you know why I'm called a pear? It's because of my unique shape. I'm skinny on top and chubby on the bottom. I'm full of juicy sweetness and lots of goodness for you. Eating me helps you stay strong and healthy. I have lots of vitamins, especially vitamin C, which helps your body fight off colds. And guess what? I'm also good for your tummy because I have lots of fiber. So next time you want a tasty snack, pick me, Patty the Pear. I'll make your day bright and fun. Hey there, kiddos. I'm Peter the Peach. Look at my beautiful fuzzy skin. I'm like a little ball of sunshine. I'm not just pretty, I'm also packed with vitamins A and C, which are great for your eyes and skin. Plus, I'm super juicy and delicious. Eating me can keep your heart happy and help you stay active all day. So, how about adding some peachy goodness to your day? Remember, a peach a day keeps the sadness away.